Hi everyone! Welcome back to Buana's Kitchen. Today, we will make one of my favorite Filipino breads, the Spanish bread. Spanish bread is a favorite merienda or afternoon snack in the Philippines. They are soft bread rolls with sweet filling and coated with breadcrumbs. Let's get baking! We will need 4 cups of bread flour, 1 cup of fresh milk or evaporated milk, breadcrumbs for coating, half cup of white sugar, 3 egg yolks, half cup of melted unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 packet or 7 grams of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of white sugar for activating the yeast. For the filling, we will need 2/3 cups of white sugar, half cup of breadcrumbs, half cup of unsalted butter, 1/3 cup of fresh milk, and 1/4 cup of plain flour. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, activate the yeast by combining the milk, sugar, and the yeast and mix them together. Let it sit for about 10 minutes or until it becomes bubbly. Now, mix together the flour, sugar, and the salt. Now, add the yeast mixture, the one that has been activated, into the flour, the egg yolks, the melted butter, and the oil. Mix them together until you form a dough. Sprinkle some flour into the work surface. Then, transfer the dough Knead this for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it becomes elastic and smooth. Occasionally sprinkle some flour to prevent the dough from sticking too much. After kneading, transfer the dough into a bowl with a bit of oil and cover it with tea towel and let it rise for about 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. In a pan on a low heat, melt the butter, add the flour, and the breadcrumbs and mix them together. Add in the milk and continue mixing until the liquid is absorbed. Turn off the heat and add the white sugar. Mix them together until you form a paste. After almost 2 hours, the dough has already doubled in size. Transfer it into the work surface. Cut it in half. Set aside the other half. Shape it into a log. Then cut it into 12 slices. Shape it into a ball. Then, flatten the dough using a rolling pin. Then spread the filling. Then roll it. And pinch the edge. To seal. Then roll it into the breadcrumbs to coat. Place it in a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Make sure that the one we sealed is the one in the bottom. After putting the filling, let it rest for about 30 minutes and don't forget to preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, bake them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. And here's our finished product! This sandwich bread is so soft and the filling is so delicious. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. This is what it looks like inside. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!